This dog has extremely way too much energy. All right, Rocky, let's get in my filthy Jeep. Come on, watch out. Get on in for the long ride, Rocky. You ain't coming back.
Out. Okay. No.
He ain't having manners already?
Yeah.
All right. Stop. Thanks, guys. My face is breaking out.
Mine too.
Like a teenager. Well, you are a teenager. We're taking Rocky to the pier. Yeah, instead of us always going to Walmart all the time, it's changed up to walking to the pier. And some exercise with this horse of mine. He's been locked up all day. We're just getting back home from work and school. All right.
No, get back there.
Rocky, I got to drive, right, homie? Buckle him up.
No.
Yeah. Well, matter of fact, we need to buckle him. Let's go. This ought to be fun. Not really. Rocky, I'll leave you while. What up, Rock? He said, my head's stuck in the window, Daddy. Help me out. Help me out, Daddy. For real, right? Oh, he got in. Get you some fresh air, Rocky. Might be a month before we get you back out. Poor dog. We gotta get him a yard.
Baby.
We made it, Rocky. And there went my struts. And still, this guy's Jeep. I ain't had mine. It is a Jeep. It's a Cadillac.
Okay, stop.
Rocky, let's go. You ain't gotta smell everything. He said, yes, I do. So what difference does it make to you? Oh, all right. He's gonna smell that on the way back and think of somebody else. All right, come on. This way, Rocky. This way, Rocky. I swear. How much water does he drink on a daily basis?
I swear.
Rocky said, as much as it takes to mark my territory. This is the first part of the pier. Rocky, we're gonna push you off of it.
I do it.
He's breaking my back. Just smiling at Rocky.
Yeah, I'm fine right here.
Hey, you didn't bring our water?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm thirsty. You see the blackbirds laying them? I just missed them. I didn't get the phone out in time. Rocky giving you an exercise?
Yes. I'm pulling people.
He acts like he's never been here before.
I swear.
He's just full of excitement.
Yeah.
He's still young, really. Only 5. What's that, like 35 in dog years? So ain't nobody following us. Come on, Rock, let's go. Wait, go left or right?
Right.
This is the end of the line, Rocky.
No, we still gotta swim the other side.
Rocky, so we can turn around, walk all the way back, and then come back again.
Yeah.
And there you go. That water's low. And nasty looking.
Hey, Rocky, you wanna see how low the water is? Just jump in.
Yeah, do it. Push me and you got the ball. Alright, Rocky, hold on. Hold on, keep him right there. Let me make sure your steps are safe. Alright, come on. Let's go, Rock. He scooted up.
I swear.
He scooted. Oh, I'm dizzy up here. I hate heights, man. I'm such a, I'm gonna say a bad word. I'm a wimp when it comes to heights.
Do what you want.
This thing almost started falling, did it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going home.
You gonna leave me here with Rocky?
Alright, Rocky, let's walk. Oh, but don't trip me. Alright, Rocky, you want to try to get down now? He said, well, try what? I'm gone, Daddy. Let the leash loose so he don't pull you down. What Whatever a baduzzi means. Let's go, Rocky. Filthy around here. Landon. It's fall, yo. Your camera's so much better than mine. Rocky sees another dog down there. It's about to go down. But guess what, Rocky? We're not going that way, big dog. We're gonna take this right. Homie thinks he wants some of you, Rocky. He said he don't want none. Step up. Walking all boss mode out of here. Mop here. Bunch of bastards. Tell him, Daddy. Rocky, you wouldn't bite a fly. Don't tell them that. Mind over matter, Daddy. You know how far away the closest star is besides ours?
Oh my God.
It would take you 5 million years to get there traveling in an airplane. Going our speeds. You can never touch it. 4,000 light years away. No, 4 light years. Are you listening? You even give a damn?
About?
I do. I do.
You said at least 5 numbers.
Watch your step, Rocky. That pine straw will get you every time. He said, watch your step, you drunk. How'd you get that bruise on your elbow, Daddy? They send you to slip and fall school? Yeah, they did.